Hey guys, what's up? It's me Sarchita. Welcome back to my channel. So, you know what my mom said today? She was saying that I am completely looking like a grown-up lady in this outfit. And I was like, come on, I am a grown-up lady now. Anyway guys, I really do not want to make this intro a long one. So I am just welcoming you all to my festive series 2021. Yes. So this one is the fourth video of that series, and if you guys have missed any video of this series, then you can just go and check my playlist, and also I'm going to link the playlist down in my description box, so make sure to check it out. And today this is again going to be a kurta set haul video where I have got all of them from Amazon this time. And I think you guys already know on Amazon the Great Indian Festival sale is live from today. Yeah, this is 3rd October. This one is the biggest sale of the year, and 8 October ko ye khatam ho jayega. So this is just a reminder. And besides that guys, today I am also going to introduce something new to all of you. So that is gonna be a cashback app. The name is Paisa Wapas. So this time I have purchased all of them through Paisa Wapas, and you are getting like amazing discount. Okay, so I'll be explaining everything in the middle of the video, so you guys just keep on watching and stay tuned. So first of all, today I am going to show you a kurta set. Just look at the color guys. Actually this one is for my elder sister, but I already told her that please hum bhi pehnenge isko kahin pe, and she was like okay. And as you can see, it has some designs in the front area. Bottom part is, it's completely like a anarkali kurti, super soft dupatta. So this is how it looks guys. And also I'm loving this gotapatti design and this polka dots in the dupatta. And the material is rayon, which is exactly summer appropriate. It has 3/4 sleeves and gotapatti designs are here again in the bottom part. So as I said, this is a kurti set. It also has a straight cut trouser. So this is how it looks guys. The color is same, and you will also find some gotapatti design in this trouser as well. And the coolest thing is it has pockets. So in the waist it has elastic things. As you can see, this is not like a palazzo, it's completely a straight cut trouser. And today I just requested my sister ki please tum try on kar do, please. And finally she did guys. So without further ado, let's see my sister's try on. Actually when I saw this in Amazon, I expected this to be kind of silk material. It arrived rayon material, which is completely fine. The thing is, this is not that shining material like the picture. So I will peep the picture here. Most exciting part is the MRP was 3,999. That means 4,000. But on Amazon you were getting it in just rupees 999. But I bought this through Paisa Wapas. So I got this just for rupees 934. So it really makes me so happy when I get extra cashback. Don't worry, you guys can also do the same. All you have to do is you just have to shop through Paisa Wapas, as it is offering 6.5% of cashback on Amazon sale. Most importantly, on Paisa Wapas a contest is gonna happen. The name is Big Dhamaka Sale Contest, which is already live from 2nd October up to 4th of November. And on that contest, the top 500 buyers are gonna win amazing prizes like iPhone 13, Lenovo laptop, gift cards and much more. So all you have to do is just sign up on Paisa Wapas and register yourself on that Big Dhamaka Sale Contest, and just shop from their top shopping websites like Amazon through Paisa Wapas. And the last date of register is 5th of October. So guys, hurry up. This is 3rd of October and I have already signed up. You guys can also go and grab the chances. And besides that, you guys can also refer your friends to shop from Paisa Wapas, and you can also get rupees 1,000 for each qualifying referral to just increase your winning chances. So for more details, you can also guys check the Paisa Wapas app. I'm gonna link everything in my description box. So now let's move to see the second outfit, and this one is this time going to be a kurti, and which is from Biba. And just look at this, the bottom part looks like this. Just look at this golden prints happening all over the kurti. So this kurti is basically a high-low kind of kurti. The front part is shorter compared to the back, and the brand is this time Biba, and the material is like not cotton, not rayon. I really don't know what is it exactly called, but it has a kind of double layered thing. So guys, the price of this kurti was 759, but through Paisa Wapas I got it just in rupees 709. So they really offers a great amount of cashback. Cashback amount can be transferred to your bank account or to your Paytm wallet or as vouchers as well. But guys, only after crossing that rupees 99 threshold, your cashback will be transferred to your bank account. After signing up, you are also getting rupees 30 instant cashback, and you will get to see thousands of shopping platforms on Paisa Wapas. So when you click, like if you click Amazon, then that will directly redirect you to the Amazon website, and if you return any item, then you will not get the cashback. So that's it. Moving to the next one. So the next one is I'm wearing right now, and this is again a kurta set. The kurta is of this pretty parrot green color. The dupatta is pink with some white prints and this designs in the border, and the pant is again green color. Yes guys, I'm not wearing the pant now. Like the upper part is so perfectly dressed up, but niche I'm wearing my nightshirt. So guys, this kurta set is my most favorite among all. I have just started loving this color so much these days. The trouser has elasticated waist. It's again a straight cut trouser, and नीचे यहाँ पे कुछ design नहीं है. So in the kurti, it has some designs in the border, and the neck is like this, and the back is, and this time the material is cotton. So the price was 599, but through Paisa Wapas I got it just rupees 560. So I am done with 3 and I have 3 more. Okay, this is the back side, and here you are getting a zip closure. This one is actually a kurta jumpsuit. So upper part is quite normal, but in the bottom part there are 2 holes here and here, so you will get to see how it looks in the try on part. So this is kind of a fusion wear, and I'm just totally loving it guys. The price was this time 515, but through Paisa Wapas I got it in just rupees 481. So nextly again a kurta set. Kurti is a grey colored kurti, and so is the pant. So the front part looks like this, and this one is really so gorgeous. You will find the same design in its sleeves and also in the border. And the pant is this time completely a formal trouser. In the bottom part you will find slits, but the most beautiful part is its dupatta. Ta-da! This looks really nice. So you will get to see in the try on how it looks. And I ordered all the sets in size M. On Amazon the price was 699, but Paisa Wapas price is 653. Anyway, I'm gonna link all the products down below in my description box. So just let's move to see the last item. So the last one is a simple kurti, I think, which will be perfect for a college going girl. Buttons in the front part, and size was M. And the fabric is so comfortable cotton fabric. So nothing to explain guys, this one is so simple and basic. So yes guys, that's it for my today's video, and I just hope you loved my today's collection. If you have any kind of query guys, then just do not hesitate. You can ask me over Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. You can just go and find me there, and also just be a smart buyer by shopping through Paisa Wapas. So now I'm going to shine off. You guys stay tuned for my upcoming videos of this festive series 2021. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and much love from my side.